Hey everyone, it is another very cold day in Fredericksburg. I think we're supposed to get, it was 1 to 3 inches of snow, and now it's 3 to 7. So anyway, I love snow, but I don't like to be cold. So it's kind of an oxymoron, right? But it's the truth. Like, I love snow. I think it's so pretty. It's so picturesque. But as long as I don't have to drive in it and I don't have to shovel it. So the reason for today's video, I wanted to send a quick kind of an update about what I'm doing. I have started to launch a new thing called the Fredericksburg Stock Photography, and it's free. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to encourage people to use my photography, and the only way to do that is to do it just kind of like do promotions for it. And the easiest way to do that is to give it away for free. And what I'm doing, and I wanted to bring you guys along for the journey for, is that I'm starting it out, and it's starting out pretty small. I've only got about 10 images, so it's not like it's massive or anything right now. But I've been kind of taking my camera and going around. I'll show you the camera. So Black Friday was very good to me. I got this Canon Rebel. It's T6. I love this thing. It's awesome. Man, does it do a good job. I got it because it was supposed to take really good videos as well, and as you can see, my face is kind of washed out on the webcam. It's okay on videos. It's not fantastic, and mostly it's because of focusing. Like the crispness is there, but it's really clear right here and really clear behind my head. So it's not like here where my face is, you know. So I'm sure it's a setting, but I haven't figured it out yet, and I've watched about 30 videos on YouTube trying to figure it out, and I'm not finding it. But it takes really good photos. So what I've been doing is that a lot of stock photography is basically it's kind of tourism Fredericksburg photos, and also photos where they need like a little space to write something. Like if I have a photo and then I'm going to leave space to the right to actually write like the text that would go here, like, hey, and then you'd have like the text here, that would be the photo. So I have a lot of photos like that in mind, and a lot of ones that I've done already, but I just have to edit it before I put them out there, because I don't want to put out something that's, you know, maybe not as crisp, or the colors aren't as saturated as they could be, that kind of thing. So the photos that I'm planning to put in this package are, I mean, yes, they are free. There is a caveat, which I will get to, but the photos I'm putting in, they're all edited. So they are all super high quality and super like edited, not like over processed so that they like look weird, but just like something that I would edit a photo before I would use it in a print or online publication. So really crisp, clear, good stuff. And it's all Fredericksburg based. That's the whole gimmick, you know. And the caveat, the catch, is that I just want you to take my keyword phrase. If you're going to use it, if you're using it in print, go ahead and use it. Don't bother about giving me credit. I mean, you can if you want. It's awesome. I'd much rather have like a testimonial shout out to like my Twitter, which is @CreationDepot, or my Instagram, which is at Wendy_literal 2 T's. And that would be great, but it doesn't do me any good when stuff is printed. I want to provide it and make people feel like they can use it to print. That's totally fine. I have no problem with that. But where I am going to see my benefit for having the free service is twofold. One, it's behind an email wall, so you do have to give me your email address in order to get access to the Dropbox, which I'm going to constantly update with new stuff. So, you know, just kind of bookmark the Dropbox once you get the link, and then just go back and check it anytime you need photography, you know, that kind of thing. And the only other rule is that you got to give me credit. So like you can write out photo credit, Wendy literal, but what I want you to do, and like the stipulation behind using it, is that I want you to link the words website designer, Fredericksburg, Virginia, and link that phrase to my website. And what that's going to do is that this is a marketing campaign. So what I'm trying to do is be known for those keywords in this area. And a lot of what I'm battling against are backlinks from other companies that have been established here for literal decades, you know? And so the only way I'm going to compete with that is to get my own backlinks up. And I got to get the backlinks up for those keywords. So if people are using my photography, which is good, pat myself on the back there. It's, it's good photography. If people use that and then they link those keywords back to my website, it's going to move me up in the rankings. So it helps you out because you get a free photo out of it, and it helps me out because I get the search engine love for it. So that and the email address, which, I don't bomb people with emails. I just, frankly, I don't have the time to write a lot of emails. So it's just kind of going to go on the back burner, and whenever I get to sending out emails. But the big bonus is getting the search engine love. So that's that. And I need a way to send you the Dropbox link. So that's another reason for needing the email. So that's it. I just wanted to tell you what I was doing. I'm really excited about it. My cat is really trying to get in on this, this video. I don't know if you can hear him going crazy in the background. He must have a buddy outside or something. So that's it. If you have any questions or want information about it, when the Dropbox is available, which should be this weekend, I want to go ahead and put a link in the drop down below, and you should have easy access to it. It's loud. It's loud to me. I don't know if the webcam's picking it up, but it's really loud. All right, that's it. I hope you guys take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks so much. Bye.